Hello folks, back with another YouTube video. Back at a new house. Here's the old Friedrich air conditioner running in the party room. It's going good. We got an older LG here. Got some pretty bad coil damage, to be honest with you. Look at all this. Got a lizard that went in there. Probably could get cut up. And then over here we got the Frigidaire heat pump and an old Goodman unit. Here's the Frigidaire heat pump. And the old Goodman unit. It ain't big enough to cool the house. That's why we got the window ACs in there. Oh yeah, this is just a look at a nice yard. Barbecuing the other day. Here we go. Well, that's all, folks.